Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
So I'm here at the grand unveiling of India's first 3D phone and a Wi-Fi network in India by BSNL. So there are 5 handsets which have been released by Veecon ROKiT, and the Wi-Fi connections will be given by BSNL. So there have been a total of 5 phones which have been released, from basic feature phones to high variants of good Android smartphones. So in this video we'll see a quick look of all the 5 phones which will be soon heading to India, and they'll be available in the market. So friends, these are the 5 models which will be there soon in the market with Veecon ROKiT and BSNL collaboration. These are the first two are the feature phones. These are non 3D. The third one, these 3 are from the IO range, but the first one is the 2D, and the last 2 are the 3D phones. So all of them are being launched in the budget segment, and we'll get to know more with the dignitaries from Veecon ROKiT. So I have Monica and Mandy from Veecon Rok Corporation, and they'll be briefing us more about the 5 phones which will be coming very, very soon here in India. So I'll head over to Monica.
Hi everyone. So basically the first 2 feature phone, the unique selling point of these feature phones that they have inbuilt Wi-Fi and WhatsApp. So because of the Wi-Fi and the WhatsApp, you would be able to make a video call quite easily. These feature phones, the operation system is based on Android, so you will be able to use many cool features of the Android OS. However, have to highlight that is not Android, just Android based. The phones has our special application as well, and because, as I said, it's Android based, so we will be able to add many other feature phone application. It will be based on demand. Yeah. So this is the F-One. So the mission control, it's our own application. You will be able to log in and use loads of cool ROKiT Veecon services. So this is a Spectrum processor. So this is a very, very budget device. However, it has a 2 megapixel camera, and it will run. It will have a 1000 milliampere battery. Yeah. So the 1000 milliampere battery on this range is more than enough to. It's only a 2.4 inch screen. So this one is the.
This one is the first, like the most basic model.
Right? So basically the 2 of them are with specification is the same. Just the only thing that this is the regular bar version and the other the flip. So here you can see already there WhatsApp. So the WhatsApp already and Facebook is already inbuilt. So on the top you can see the notification bar is similar, even the format like on the full Android OS, and then you can operate that one. And if we go to the menu, so yeah, you can see Facebook Lite is already there. We have our RokTalk Plus application and the mission control as well. Downloads, SIM toolkit, calculator, email.
So it also has the same 2 megapixel camera.
Yes.
And
1000 milliampere. Yes, yes.
So let's head to the IO range.
Yeah. So this one is the IO Light. So
this is the IO, like the IO's basic.
Yes, the entry model. Yeah, the entry model. So this is a 8+1 gigabyte memory, MTK chipset. But the unique with this device that this is running on Android Go, which is the light version of the Android OS, and because of that, it's surprisingly fast device. So for very little amount of money, you are going to get a very, very good user experience. It has the Play Store. We will keep providing the option to our users to have even more application. So our team is working on that continuously. This is the latest Android OS 8.1. It has a basic 5+2 megapixel camera, 5 on the back, 2 megapixel on the front, which is still good enough to do the selfie. It has a 2100 milliampere battery, which is for this device is very good also because it is Android Go, so it doesn't use as much power than the other full Android version.
What is the processor running here?
This is an MTK processor as well. It's a 1.2 gigahertz dual core. All our smartphone is going to come with always the latest Google updates and the latest Google OS. So this is the IO 3D. So this is already a 3D device. Yeah. This is in the smartphone category. It's still an entry level device. It has a 16+2 gigabyte memory. It has an MTK chipset, but it's already dual core. It's a 1.4 giga dual core. Yeah. It has all the Android application, and it comes with the 3D gallery. We will see it here, the 3D camera and the 3D gallery. So with the 3D gallery, if you open that, so you see the preloaded content right now. But obviously you will be able to use our own 3D content if there is any online.
The USP is you don't have to wear the glasses.
Yes, exactly. I already forgot that point. So the other, we have a 3D camera. Yeah. So in 3D camera you can see 3D camera and video. This is a separate application. So if you take picture, then the software is converted to to 3D. This device, to being an entry-level smartphone, it still comes with the fingerprint reader, which is in this category is unique also. So it's not many manufacturer put fingerprint reader in this range. Right now, this is our best available device. So this is a 64+4 1.8 gigahertz octa-core MTK chipset device, which has a dual camera on the back.
Oh, dual camera?
Yes, it has dual camera and single camera on the front. So even here the wallpaper is 3D effect, yeah. So this same application, the 3D camera and the 3D gallery, but obviously, because if it's a FHD plus screen, it has a much better 3D user experience. I will show the same video. So you can see that the display is more bright, crispy. This has a 3100 milliampere.
So thank you, Monica, for briefing so well about all the 5 phones which will be soon coming to India. And this was actually the unveiling of the 3D mobile phones, as well as launching of the Wi-Fi network zone over 25 cities in India. And we are really excited to experience this personally when we get some hands-on, and use them and buy them actually in the market. So once again, congratulations to Veecon Rok, and we welcome you guys to India. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. So guys, this was a very quick look for you for all the 5 phones which have been released by Veecon ROKiT along with a BSNL. So these 2 from the lot are my personal favorites. This is the highest variant in the smartphone category, and this is the feature phone variant, which is very handy. And I might have it as my secondary phone. I would like to have it. Along with that, I just experienced the 3D part on the screen. It is really premium, and once you get free Wi-Fi, you get a very high-end experience. So the 5 phones come in the category of a price range which will start from the bare minimum 2,000 rupees till the highest variant would be approximately 20,000 rupees. So we are expecting them in the initial of the next year very soon. So this is it for this video. We'll be back soon with another Tech Bite. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye.